Hello friends, Aluminium solid sheet cladding and Aluminium composite panel cladding are two different types of cladding systems used in construction. In this video, we will be discussing the differences between these two systems. So let us get started. Composition. Aluminium solid sheet cladding is a monolithic structure with a single layer of solid aluminium. Normally, the thickness ranges from 2 mm to 4 mm for cladding. On the other hand, ACP comprises two aluminium sheets and a core material often made of polyethylene sandwiched between them. The thickness ranges from 3 mm to 6 mm. Fire resistance. Solid aluminium cladding has better fire resistance compared to ACP cladding, whereas ACP with polyethylene core catches fire easily. Hence, in countries like UAE, it is banned. ACP with a fire-resistant mineral-filled core material has a more fire resistance but not better than the aluminium sheet cladding. Maintenance or durability. Aluminium solid sheet is not a composite material, so there are zero chances of delamination. It is stronger than ACP. On the other hand, ACP is a composite material, hence there is a possibility of delamination. Recyclable. Aluminium solid sheet is a 100% recyclable material that can be reused repeatedly. Whereas in case of ACP, only the outer layers, which are approximately 0.5 mm thick, are recyclable. Product. Aluminium solid sheet is a green building product, whereas ACP is partially green building material. Installation. The installation of aluminium solid sheet cladding can be more labor intensive and complex due to the weight and rigidity of solid sheets. On the other hand, ACP cladding is generally easier to install because of its lighter weight. Lifespan. The average lifespan of solid aluminium is 35 to 40 years, whereas the average life of ACP is 10 years. Approximate cost of material. Aluminium solid sheet cladding is more expensive due to the use of solid aluminium throughout. The price of 3 mm thick aluminium sheet is approximately 450 rupees per square feet. On the other hand, ACP cladding is typically more cost effective as it uses less aluminium and includes a lightweight core. The price of 4 mm thick ACP sheet is approximately 230 rupees per square feet. Weight. Aluminium solid sheet cladding is generally heavier than ACP due to the solid aluminium sheet, whereas ACP cladding is lighter compared to solid sheet cladding because of the lightweight core material. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.